Grabe, parang nangitim agad yung mukha ko, be. No? Hi guys!
Ayan,
So, good morning. So, time check, it's yung room ko kagabi. 4:37 in the morning here at UK. So,
Hi
we're going
everyone,
to-
this is Rog Ginto and
going
welcome
to
back to my
Morocco.
YouTube channel.
Marrakesh, Marrakesh, here I come. Let's go. Huh? Guys, so we are here now sa restaurant dito sa airport. So, dito kami ngayon sa Nando's. Kasi ito lang yung may chicken. Tapos sungat-sungat pa ni ate girl. Bea, sabi sa'yo?
Yeah, but you have to sit there. Ah!
Ayan. Okay, so, gugutom na ako. And bago ako pumunta dito, dumaan ako ng duty free. Sobrang mura, kaya nilubos ko na. Pang ano natin, pang regalo natin kila Mama Lito, and of course, Mama Barbie, and Pao. Ayan, syempre di pwedeng mawalan ng mga yun. So, see you later! Hi guys! So, 6:47 in the morning. Dito na kami ngayon sa plane.
Flying na kami.
Fly. So, 3 hours and 5 minutes yung travel time papuntang Marrakesh. So, excited na rin!
3 hours later.
So, we're here na sa Marrakesh. So, dito kami ngayon sa bus. Ito ng airport.
We're kami sa pinaka-terminal. Sumakay lang kami doon, parang 3 seconds lang kami umanda.
Gagawa tayo.
Pero napaka-init.
Ayan na,
Welcome
guys.
to Marrakesh.
Welcome to Marrakesh.
Yeah, but you have to sit there. Ah!
Here at the taxi. Hello.
Hola.
Hola, Tidora. Sa pares sa Pilipinas lang yung driver seat.
Wala lang aircon.
Wala nga lang aircon. Wala nga lang siyang aircon, be. Gusto mo yun? Lunch with this, I don't know.
That's the most beautiful. Yeah, but you have to sit there. Ah!
Okay.
Hindi ka usap.
Yeah. Tapos may target lock siya. Alam niyo, nakikita niyo ba yung nasa kaliwang side ko? Ito yung mga group ng mga kalalakihan na to. Ayun yung target ni Akla.
Aray ko!
So, alam na. Ayan, hi guys. So for today's agenda, ayan, punta muna kami ng souk. Kasi bibili muna kami ng SIM card and bibili muna kami ng mga kakailanganin namin. Kasi, ayan, wala pang tsinelas.
Wala po akong chinelas. Ano po ako? Doll shoes.
Perfect yung doll shoes. Doll shoes.
Ano po siya?
Masayaw ka, Mabi.
Principal.
Tsaka alam nyo ba guys, ang pogi ng ano namin. Nung nagmamaneho sa amin.
Hindi mo kayang ipakita sa mga viewers. Kaya niya.
Yan na, nagagala na ang mga bibe.
Ang mga Disney princess.
Ang mga Disney princess. Sige, ma. Ma!
Guys, so ito na siya. Mama M.
Ah, so hot! Let's go, punta tayo dito. So, where are we?
We are right here at the Zeton Cafe.
Oh.
Zeton.
So, galing na doon dito sila before. So, dito yung na-recommend sa akin ni Mama Kiko. Grabe, parang nangitim agad yung mukha ko, be. No? Gago. Parang nangitim ako agad. Yung sa ilong ko.
Oo.
Gago.
Lakas no. So, hindi na tayo lalabas.
Hindi na lalabas. Charis. Grabe, ang laki
May
na.
sunblock ka ba?
Tumukha. Guys, ang sarap ng milkshake nila. It's heaven in here.
Sarap. Sarap.
Sure. Naka-live po tayo. Sarap ng sayo.
Mas masarap. Mas masarap ako. Sarap.
Okay na yun, at least nakabili tayo.
Ito yung binili ni Sarah Jessica Parker dun sa yung sumikat sa Dubai.
Ganda. Powerful yung mga... Yung makakahanap ba tayo dito na ano?
Swimsuit.
Utang ina. Swimsuit, hey, hey.
Bikini.
Mga tao dito.
Yun yung maganda pang Instagram ng mga carousel, yung mga gold ilon na kumipicture.
Oo nga. Ay, ano yung itsura ng bikini nila, Bi?
Para siyang scuba diving out. Kasi nga naman, Islamic country. So, hindi sila nagre-reveal ng katawan, hindi katulad ng mga sexy stars natin.
Grabe ka naman.
Dito hindi sila sexy katulad natin. Sila, dito kailangan bala. So, scuba diving. Oh, that's very cute. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The thyroid, you said. Thyroid, you said you broke the thyroid.
Thank you so
Say hi to my vlog. Hello.
You doing a vlog? you have also like a channel you?
No. I will just make.
Okay,
Yeah.
like you
She's
make it for you.
collecting.
She's-
I'm a
yeah, I'm
YouTuber, by
col-
the way. I have experience. I go to the stranger people. I ask him to read some text from my
Okay.
mother. So every day, like I do just to know the reaction from the stranger people. For example, I go like to this guy, and I ask him. I already like speak with my mother with a voice. When today I recite from him, from her like the text.
Yeah.
You write me the text, but can you tell me what's in the text message? The most important thing, my mother is in the hospital, so I was in her hospital with my mother in different country, in different city. For example, in Casablanca, and I'm in Marrakesh. So the text was from like the doctor. It was sent to me. Your mother is died, so you need important to come back to the
Focus.
hospital. So that's why I'm asking the stranger people to say his reaction, and they receive a girl, they cry because they don't know who gonna say to me like your mother is died. So I receive like a 14,000 views.
Oh.
Yes. Also, I have a account TikTok. I have 24,000 followers. I have
Wow.
some videos. They receive like 1 million views.
Wow.
I'm seeing the reality, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna prove it now.
Okay.
Like when I'm so small, when I have like 16, 17 years old. So I stopped all the social media. So I'm gonna show you now.
Yeah. so
I
yan,
always change my
ipapakita niya.
account TikTok like to do a branding, brand. You know what I'm saying? So
Oh, yeah, that one.
I also like find something for you.
22,000.
Yeah, 22,000. I changed the name like I need to brand. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Let me show you. This is 1.5 million views. Look, I cover my girlfriend. You know what I'm saying? There is me when I'm so small.
Oh. So did you edit
Yeah,
your own
I'm
video?
doing like the slow motion videos.
Ano pwede mo, Bi?
Ha? Souvenir head.
Souvenir, hey, hey.
Souvenir head. Kahit ito, para kay kita. And there. Kano na tawad mo? Mula sa 850 naging
750.
750.
Your husband? You don't want present for men?
Your husband? Who's husband? Who's husband?
770, 780, 800.